In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schwab fractional shares. Fractional shares at Charles Schwab are called stock slices, and they let you invest using a dollar amount instead of buying a full share. That means high-priced stocks become accessible with small amounts of money. For example, if a stock trades at $1,000 per share and you invest $50, you'll own 0.05 of a share. Schwab allows you to start with as little as $5 per stock slice, which makes it easier to diversify even if you're beginning with a modest budget. To get started, log into your Schwab account on the website or in the mobile app and make sure your brokerage account is funded. If you've just added money, keep in mind that deposits may need time to settle before you can place an order. Next, navigate to the Stock Slices tool. Open the trade menu and choose Stock Slices. This is Schwab's dedicated experience for fractional investing, designed to walk you through selecting companies and choosing an amount to invest. Now, choose the stocks you want. With Stock Slices, you can pick from companies in the S&P 500. You can select multiple stocks in one order, up to a basket of around 30 names, so you can build a mix in a single transaction. Think about spreading across different industries if you're aiming for broader diversification. But always align choices with your own research and goals. Enter how much you want to invest in dollars. You're not choosing the number of shares, you're choosing the cash amount. You can set a total and divide it among your picks, or specify a different dollar amount for each company. For example, if you invest $100 across 5 stocks, you might put $20 into each. The minimum is typically $5 per stock slice. As you enter amounts, Schwab will display an estimated fractional share quantity based on current prices. The final fraction may vary slightly when the order executes. Before submitting, review your selections and allocations carefully. Confirm the companies, the dollar amounts, and your total investment. When you place the order, Schwab will execute it at market prices and automatically convert your dollars into fractional shares. Dividends still work the same way, just scaled to what you own. If a company pays a dividend, you'll receive it proportionally based on your fraction of a share. You can also choose to reinvest those dividends through drips, so they automatically buy more slices of the same stock. That's the process for using Schwab Stock Slices. Simple, flexible, and a useful way to build positions over time.